Once upon a time in the magical land of Sparkleshire, there lived three young princes named Alex, Ben, and Charlie. The sky, dreaming of G upon the brightest star in the sky, dreaming of G upon the brightest star in the sky, dreaming of grand adventures and exciting quests. One night, as the princes lay in their beds, a shimmering fairy named Twinkly appeared before them. She told them that their dreams were not just figments of imagination, but keys to unlocking the mysteries of their kingdom. "Brave princes," Twinkle said, her voice as soft as a gentle breeze, "your dreams hold the power to save Sparkleshire from darkness. But to do so, you must embark on a journey to find the enchanted crystal of light." Excited by the prospect of a real adventure, Alex, Ben, and Charlie eagerly accepted the fairy's quest. With Twinkle guiding them, they set off into the enchanted forest, filled with towering trees and sparkling streams. Their journey was not without challenges. Along the way, they encountered mischievous pixies, tricky trolls, and even a fearsome dragon guarding a bridge. But with courage and determination, the princes overcame each obstacle, drawing strength from their dreams and the bond of their friendship. Finally, after days of travel, they reached the Cave of Whispers, where the crystal of light was said to be hidden. The cave was dark and foreboding, but the princes pressed on, guided by the light of their dreams. Deep within the cave, they found the crystal, glowing with a radiant energy that filled their hearts with hope. But before they could claim it, they were confronted by the dark sorcerer who sought to claim the crystal's power for himself. With Twinkle's guidance, the princes fought bravely against the sorcerer, using their wits and the magic of their dreams to outsmart him. In the end, it was their belief in each other and the strength of their friendship that prevailed, banishing the sorcerer's darkness and restoring light to Sparkleshire once more. As the sun rose over the kingdom, bathing it in a warm golden glow, the princes returned home as heroes, their hearts filled with pride and their minds filled with memories of their incredible adventure. And though they knew that their dreams were just beginning, they also knew that as long as they held fast to each other and to the power of their dreams, they could overcome any challenge that lay ahead. And so, in the magical land of Sparkleshire, where dreams held the power to change the world, the three young princes lived happily ever after, forever bound together by their shared quest and the magic of their dreams.